Namaskar दोस्तों. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. All of us have taken life insurance policy at some point or the other. What is the reason for taking this life insurance policy? We need to protect the family for a continuous income when the breadwinner does not exist. Unfortunately, when the death happens, the death benefit from the life insurance company will try to make good the family for the continuous income what he has been giving during his life. Now, during the course of our journey, we would have taken a lot of loans like housing loan, vehicle loan, gold loan, whatnot. So, when these loans are not completely repaid, the financial institutions will come and ask for the dues, or they will seize the properties what has been already bought by us. This is a very very embarrassing situation for the family because they don't have enough money to repay the outstanding debts, or if they have repaid the outstanding debts, then what is it they will be having to continue their life for the initiatives which the person has taken. Now, there is a very important law called Married Women's Property Act. Now, this law is very important because it will protect the family for the dues not to be attached. I'll tell you in detail. When during your taking of a policy, you have opted for MWP Act as it is very popularly known. Okay, the proceeds of the policy on death cannot be attached to any of the outstanding loans or the dues taken by the breadwinner. It will have to go back to the family, and the family can enjoy this benefit throughout their life. This is how important is this, my dear friends, because the housing loan which has not been repaid, the personal loan which has not been repaid, the vehicle loan which has not been repaid, the gold loan which has not been repaid cannot be offset with this money. Okay, that is the rule which has been laid. How important is this rule? So, my dear friends, how many of us know this particular provision in law, especially in insurance? How many of our advisors have advised us to opt for MWP Act when we are taking a policy? I think very less. The very big problem with this is if you don't opt for MWP Act when you are taking a policy, you can never opt for that during the term of the policy. That is, after taking of the policy, you can never opt for this particular provision. So, how many of us have lost this opportunity to safeguard our family? So, my dear friends, there are very important points like this, which you need to know when you are taking an insurance policy. So, what I have organized is a webinar on Saturday, coming Saturday, at 10 a.m. sharp, to highlight 10 important points when you take an insurance policy, okay, and clarify your questions which you have raised. For that, I'm going to give the link for the webinar in my description, as well as I'm going to attach a Google form to clarify any of your challenges which you are facing during your financial planning. I hope this session will be very useful for you. So, if I would request every one of you to kindly participate in this and learn what is important for a financial planning, and don't miss out when something happens which is not in your hands. So, my dear friends, please join my webinar and take the benefit of this particular webinar, because I am Sridhar Ganesan. I have 25 years of experience in insurance and financial planning. I have helped about more than 1,000 people during my career for a very good financial planning and a cash-rich retirement life, and to secure their family in case of an unfortunate death of the breadwinner. Okay, see you in the webinar. All the best. Bye.